A warm greetings to all. Today I'm going to start a case study on satellite communication. What is satellite communication? A satellite communication is a solid object which revolves around the planet due to the effect of gravitational force, or a satellite is an object which is placed into orbit around the earth by human endeavor to collect informations or from communication. There are many man-made satellites. Approximately 13,000 satellites are tracked in real time, and some are inactive. The world's first artificial satellite was launched in 1957. The first satellite launched by India is Aryabhatta on 19th April 1975. This is the components of a satellite. A satellite launching. First stage. The first stage of a launching vehicle contains rockets and fuels filled satellite along with launching vehicle from ground. Second stage. The second stage of launching vehicle contains small rockets. These are initiated after completing the first stage. They have their own fuel tank in order to send the satellite in the space. Third stage. The third stage of a launching vehicle is connected to the satellite fringe. Fourth stage. A satellite gets separated from the upper stage of a vehicle when it has been reached the out of Earth atmosphere, and then satellite will go to transmitter orbit. This orbit sends the satellite high into the stage. Stage of separation. First, it will be like this, and it will separate. How do the satellite works? This is the process. Uplink and downlink. The communication link from transmitter Earth station to satellite is called uplink. The communication link from a satellite to receiver Earth station is called downlink. When an uplink is being received by the spacecraft, at the same time the downlink is being received by the Earth, the communication is called two-way communication. Elements. A satellite control will be like this. Thanking you all.